Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make burger rolls at home. Preheat oven to 375 degrees F and mix flour, yeast, sugar, salt, warm water, and oil until a soft dough forms. Knead for 8 minutes. Let rise until doubled, shape rolls, proof briefly, and bake 15-18 minutes until golden. Brush tops with butter, cool on a rack, split for burgers, and toast if desired. Try sesame seeds for a classic finish. Measure ingredients precisely and use a digital scale when possible for consistent rolls. Mix until shaggy, then knead until smooth and elastic, about 8 minutes by hand. First rise should take about 60-90 minutes in a warm, draft-free spot until doubled. After shaping, give a second proof for 30-45 minutes until puffy. Cover dough with a damp towel to prevent drying. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like for more easy baking guides. Quick recommendation: Go Darn Tough for comfortable socks with a lifetime warranty, perfect for standing through long bake days and post-bake walks. I love their durability and fit. Check the description for the link and other deals, and grab a pair if you want comfier kitchen shifts and hikes. Now let's get back to the video. Divide dough into equal pieces, about 80-100 grams each for standard burger rolls, and shape into tight rounds to develop surface tension. Place on a lined tray with space between for expansion and brush with egg wash for shine. Bake at 375 degrees F for 15-18 minutes until golden. Let cool 10 minutes on a rack before splitting and toasting briefly for best burger assembly and juicy results. Use sesame or poppy seeds for extra flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.